Canoo Inc. Stock Forecast. Big movements in Canoo Inc. stock price on Wednesday, moving 20.48% between high and low. Canoo to host business update on July 10th as investors' concerns increase. The Canoo Inc. stock price gained 20.99% on the last trading day, Wednesday the 26th of June 2024, rising from $1.62 to $1.96. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 20.48% from a day low at $1.66 to a day high of $2. The price has risen in 5 of the last 10 days but is still down by -2.97% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 2 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 5 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $10.71 million. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall -28.51% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $1.15 and $2 at the end of this 3-month period. GOEV signals and forecast. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, June 25, 2024, and so far it has risen 20.99%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Canoo Inc. stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $2.25. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $1.82. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Support, risk and stop loss for Canoo Inc. stock. Canoo Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $1.88, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move much during the day volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $0.340 between high and low, or 20.48%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 9.82%. Trading expectations GOEV for the upcoming trading day of Thursday 27. For the upcoming trading day on Thursday, 27th, we expect Canoo Inc. to open at $1.87, and during the day, based on 14-day average true range, to move between $1.71 and $2.21, which gives a possible trading interval of plus or minus $0.248 plus or minus 12.65% up or down from last closing price. If Canoo Inc. takes out the full calculated possible swing range, there will be an estimated 25.29% move between the lowest and the highest trading price during the day. Since the stock is closer to the support from accumulated volume at $1.88 4.08% than the resistance at $2.18 11.22%, our system sees the trading risk reward intraday as attractive and believe profit can be made before the stock reaches first resistance. Insiders are very positive, buying more shares than they are selling in Canoo Inc. In the last 100 trades, there were 109.9 million shares bought and 37.75 million shares sold. The last trade was made 55 days ago by Aquila Tony, who bought 2.91 million shares. The large amount of stocks bought compared to stocks sold indicate that the insiders believe there is a potential good upside. In some cases, larger purchases can be explained by due date for stock options. Canoo to host business update on July 10th as investors' concerns increase. Electric vehicle startup Canoo is set to present a business update during an online event on July 10 as its stock price approach a new all-time low after plummeting 53% in the last 2 months. Earlier this week, the company announced that received the first of 2 tranches of advanced manufacturing assets from Arrival Automotive UK Limited. The British EV startup has gone into bankruptcy protection without making any sales earlier this year. As of the time of writing, Canoo shares are trading nearly 7% higher at $1.73 per share, resulting in a market cap of about $120 million. Last Friday, the company filed a form with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) for the potential sale of up to 5,571,500 shares. The event, hosted by the investment firm Force Family Office, will run from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. The company has recently announced it had entered into a $15 million prepaid advance agreement (PPA) with Ya2 Phosphorus Mononitride Limited, managed by Yorkville Advisors. Last week, the Chief Financial Officer, Greg Etheridge, participated at the Sidoti Small Cap Conference where he stated the company is at the stage of production ramp. The CFO said that Canoo will, over time, set up manufacturing in international locations, besides its manufacturing plant in Oklahoma, United States. These assets have been delivered to Canoo's Foreign Trade Zone (FTZ) designated facility in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and are set to significantly enhance the company's production capabilities. The initial delivery comprised 44 containers containing 226 lots of advanced manufacturing assets including robots and a comprehensive production infrastructure, according to Canoo. The startup said it expects these additions to streamline its in-house production